Crystal, like coffee by the beach. Okay, there you go, ma'am. Your ocean latte. And there you go. Cocoa Tide. Ma'am, if ever kulang.
Good. So good.
Thank you so much, Ma'am
So good.
Nikki. Yung so much,
How
ma'am.
does it taste? Good.
Ma'am, ano? Ilang taon ka na, ma'am?
Happy birthday,
Lahat mo,
happy
ate.
birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Joke. Kinapahirap.
Eh, ma'am, ito po yung ginagamit naming beans. There you go.
Wala si Nicholas na.
Moch, coffee roaster, cocoa caramel. Originated siya, ma'am, sa Colombia. Flavor niya is roasted coconut, caramel, and dried mango. Ma'am, pwede mo amuyin. Yan, ano mo lang to.
Ang bango.
Yes. Bango, ma'am. Thank you. Ito yung
Push.
Sabay the post kayo.
Yes, ma'am. Pero we also have our physical store, ma'am, sa may Casa Madrid. Ano yung favorite flavor mong coffee, ma'am Nikki?
Lahat.
Double tap ata ulit yan.
Where's mine?
Wait. She's doing it na.
Where's mine?
Crystal, like coffee by the beach. Okay, there you go, ma'am. Your ocean latte. And there you go.
Photo, Nicholas.
Cocoa Tide. Ma'am, if ever kulang.
Good. So good.
Thank you so much, ma'am
So good.
Nikki. Yung ano po.
Nicholas. Nicholas, come here.
Something to the camera.
How's your
something.
chocolate milk?
We are drinking chocolate and coffee.
Okay.
Thank
How
you
is
so
it?
much,
How
ma'am.
does it taste?
Good.
Thumbs up.
Like my Milo.
Thank
Better
you.
than
Thank you so
Milo.
much
Thank
po.